Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifeoma Ada. If this is your first time here, you're welcome, and if this is not your first, you're also welcome. Thank you for returning and watching my videos again. Today will be another video about 4 best money saving apps you can use in Nigeria in 2022 with the best interest rates. How cool is that? You can save your money to a target or for a target and also get additional interest including your savings. If you're willing to know how you can do that, or if you're willing to know the best apps that will not chop your money and run, stick back and watch this video. So guys, I'll be giving you 4 apps you can download, and it's absolutely free. You can download 4 apps from either your Google Play Store or your App Store, depending on which phone you use. So if you're using an Android, from your Google Play Store obviously, and if you're using an iPhone, from your App Store. So I'm going to give you 4 apps you're going to use to save money. Savings is very necessary. So, and not you just saving, but saving and getting interest on it's something hard to come by in this Nigeria. So I'll be giving you 4 apps you can use to save, and you get interest while you save, and you can see your interest immediately. It reflects immediately on your account as you save. The first app I'll be talking about is Piggyvest. Everyone will know that Piggyvest is a good saving and investment app. They are online. They don't have a physical branch, so it's more like download the app, you register, and you just start saving immediately. And again, you get 1,000 interest or 1,000 bonus once you register, and whoever links you to that also gets a 1,000 bonus. So let's say you want to save towards a goal. Okay, let's say I'm saving towards my school fees, and my school fees is about 100,000. If I save 100,000, I get an additional interest on that 100,000. Yes, so all you have to do is link your bank account to it, where the money will be going in, and you can withdraw anytime you want. So for Piggyvest, you can save as low as 50 naira. As low as 50 naira you can save, and you get interest even as you save 50 naira. So you have different saving plans you can pick. So anyone that is suitable for you or suitable for the income you get will depend on what plan to pick, and it's very flexible and easy to use. So you have 4 saving options you can pick from, and you can either save daily, weekly, monthly, however you want. So the first one is the piggy bank. You can save on that the same way I just said, daily, monthly, or weekly. But the only thing with piggy bank, they want you to be disciplined. So you can only withdraw once in 3 months. That's 90 days. Then you have a withdrawal date. So let's say you put your money in on the 1st of January. You can only withdraw your money on the 1st of March. You can withdraw any other day within that, but you would have to pay a 2.5% commission on that. So that is just to help you stay disciplined and to hit your savings target or whatever you're saving for. But for the Flex Naira, you can withdraw at any time. But the only thing is that once you withdraw more than 4 times in a month, you don't get interest on your money there. It's as simple as that. Then you also have the Safe Lock option. You can save on that for, I think you can pick how many days you want to save on that. So I think the list should be about 30 to 60 days. So once it's 60 days, you'd have your money back, and you also get interest upfront from that. So, and you can also do a group savings, like call your friends and tell them, okay, let's save towards a particular goal, and you can just save. But the only thing with that is that once you touch your money, you pay a fine or like a commission for that. But aside staying disciplined to all these rules, you get your money back and your interest. No saying they are collecting money for transferring or withdrawing your money. No withdrawal fee, that's the word. no withdrawal fee, no transfer fee, no nothing, as long as you stick to whatever you pick, because you're the one that is going to pick what works for you. So there's also investment options on Piggyvest, but that is usually hard to come by, so you just have to go through it and know what investment works for you. So investment might span through 9 months, some might span through 6 months, and they have higher interest rates unlike the savings. So savings, I think the highest amount or the highest interest rate amount you can get for savings is 15%, but for that you can get over 20 to 25% depending on how many units you can buy per time, and the interest rate is per annum. So but most times you get your interest upfront, it reflects automatically into your account. Just to give you an insight on how the app looks, just download it and register. This is what it basically looks like. You can do all the necessary things yourself, and this is just to show you that you accrue interest. Those are my interests in 16 days, and I've made withdrawals this month, so it's actually legit. So you could also create a target for a specific goal. You can set a personal, public savings, whatever. You can just pick and select your target amount, but the only thing with this is that you mustn't touch it because you're the one that fixed a date. So if you touch it, you won't get the interest by the withdrawal date, and if you withdraw before the withdrawal date, there is a 1% commission on that. So that is that for the target. So it just helps you stay disciplined. So you have the piggy bank, the flex naira, the safe lock, which is this. You can pick between 10 to 30 days and you get 6% interest per annum. If you pick the 31 to 16 days, 7%. So the higher you pick, the more interest you get. You can also save in dollars and also check for the rates. So for piggy bank, you have 10%, flex 8%, safe lock 6 to 13%, and target savings and the likes. So that is what you get for each of the different options you pick. So you can also earn 1,000 per referral. So if you refer 100,000 people, you get 100,000. And to withdraw funds, you can manage your settings and pick the account you want your money to be deposited into. So once you want to withdraw, you have to select an account where you want the money to go into. So that's basically it. And if you want to upgrade your money limit, you can just add all these other settings to it, and that's basically it. Very flexible and easy to use, and if you don't need the interest, you can turn it off. So the second app I'll be talking about is the Kuda Microfinance Bank. They are the first mobile bank, and they have been here over time, and you can use that for savings as well. As they have similar things with the normal bank we all use, but they are a bit more better, or they are more better. Let's say they are way better in terms of interest rates and savings. So you can get over 10% interest than what any bank will offer you on your savings with you saving with them, and you are also eligible to loans with no paperwork. All you just have to do is apply for the Kuda overdraft and you can get loans. But the only thing with that is that you have to have been using the app for a very long time and have a high credit score before you can be eligible to get a loan from them. And it also depends on how much you've been, what I mean by your credit score is by how much you've been putting money in there, and they will also know how much comes into that, so that they can determine the amount of loan to give you and know that, okay, yes, so this person can actually pay back the money. So another thing with the Kuda Bank is that you have high interest rate, and the loan the interest rate you pay with the loan is about 0.3% daily, which no bank will tell you to pay, because you obviously pay higher than that. And the interest rate for the savings, you can get up to 10% interest rate on your savings. And again, you can use that as a normal bank. Aside you saving, you can use that as your normal bank for keeping your money or saving your money. And it has 25 free transfers to other banks in a month. How cool is that? And you have no card maintenance fee, because you can request for a debit card and they will deliver that to you, and they don't have any maintenance fee. Unlike other banks, imagine me using one bank. I think 2 or 3 months ago I started using a new bank because of a certain thing, and I ticked on my form that I want a ATM card. But obviously, because I know that I don't want that money to be touched, I didn't go to collect the card, but I have been debited for the card. Only for a month after, they are now debiting me for card maintenance, card that I haven't collected, and they know I've not collected the card have not been used, and the account have been, let me not say dormant, but there have been no transfers or nothing that have been done with that account. But with Kuda, you can obviously know that your money is intact. There is no maintenance fee that they are charging you for. So you can also do this and save your money with ease, no stress. So for the Kudabank, you can buy airtime, pay bills, send money just like normal banks, and these are the goals, or these are the options you have to save and the interest you get per year on any of the options you pick. You can also get overdrafts are the loans. So like I said, you have to have a high credit score. You must be using it frequently before you're eligible to that. And also you get 25 free transfers, and you get your debit card delivered to you for free, and you can also earn when you refer people on the app. So you can also up your limit on the app. So the third app I'll be talking about is Cowrywise. So Cowrywise is also a savings and investment app. You can save as low as 100 naira. As low as 100 naira, you can save as low as that. And you get referral bonuses. The more you refer, the more you earn. You have interest on your savings. You get investment options. So the interest rate for Cowrywise is also up to 8. It's about 8 to 10% per annum. Also, I'll be showing you how you can use the app and how you can pick the best way to save. So I think the maximum amount should be 500,000, depending on your credit score and depending on what you register with them. So if you register your BVN, your NIN, or your identity, it also determines your limit or the maximum amount of what you can save on the app. And it also have a withdrawal fee. For Cowrywise, this is like the interface. You can create a plan. You have the regular savings, you have the emergency, the savings circle, the life goals. The life goals is towards your business, vacation, and the like. So you can choose a savings circle. You can have emergency plans. That one you can touch the money at any time you want. You can also save towards a goal. So this is just showing you how often you can save, the weekly, monthly, and how long you want to save for. Everything here is just what you pick, and you can see the interest rate for you saving in 6 months. So the higher you save, or like the higher duration you save, the more interest you would get. So that's it. And you can also save in your dollars and likes. For the emergency plan, you can pick how much you plan to save. So you can save weekly or you can save monthly. Like I said, the higher duration you pick, the more you're saving interest. So for this, the interest rate is about 7%, and of course it's way better than the other one that was around 6.5. So if the duration is higher, the more interest you'd get. So the last but not the least, that's my fourth app, is the ALAT by Wema. So this is like a baby or a mobile bank by Wema. ALAT and Wema are not the same. ALAT is owned by Wema, but they are two different kind of banks. So for ALAT, you can save, you earn from referrals. You also have up to 15% per annum interest rate. You can also loan, like you can also get loan from ALAT. It does similar things with what a normal bank or what a bank will do, but it has just higher benefits and better interest rates unlike the banks. So for the loans, you pay about 2% interest on the loans per month, but you getting a loan depends on how long you've been using the app, and your account on the app should be where your salary comes into. So if that's not where your salary comes into, then you can't get a loan. And also you must earn at least 18,000 naira monthly before you are eligible for loan. So you can also save and you can also get loans, and at a lower interest for the loan, and you'd have 15% interest on your savings. So firstly, you have the payday loan. That's a option you can get from ALAT. You can also have a device loan. You just pick the device you want, how much you have, and how much you would be willing to pay back, or like how many months you plan to pay back. So you just see the estimated monthly repayments, and that's it. You also have the option of personal savings. You can spend and save and also get interest. Like I said, investments, you can also save in dollars if you don't want your naira money to depreciate. You can also have like a flexi goal, you can save monthly, and also a fixed goal, like a fixed deposit, and also have interest. You can also do the group savings, just like the Agile. It automatically tells you who pack first. That's just it. All these apps I've mentioned, they are all flexible and they can help you save towards a goal. Savings might be difficult if you do not have a goal, so it's better to name or write down what you're saving towards. That will help you stay disciplined and continue to save. So if you hit a goal, create another goal in which you want to save towards, so that you can learn the act or stay disciplined in saving. So I hope all those 4 apps you'll be able to use and help you stay disciplined in saving your money in Nigeria 2022. So now you have to save. You can save towards 30 December, you can save towards your birthday, you can save towards buying a house, buying a car. There's nothing you can save towards. Just keep saving, and all it takes is being consistent, hardworking, and just stay disciplined. Thank you. And if you liked my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up if you ended up enjoying it, and please give a comment below on which of the apps are your favorites, or if you've been using. And you can also share what other additional information you have on any of these apps. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.